Are you tired of that constant tingling in your hands and feet, struggling with the unbearable pain that nerve damage brings? What if we told you that the solution to your problem might be in your kitchen? Yes, you heard it right. If you're one of the millions battling nerve pain and nerve damage, today's video might just change your life. In this video, we're not talking about magic potions or expensive medications. We're focusing on the natural healing power hidden in simple everyday foods you might be ignoring. Foods that can bring back the feeling in your hands, ease the pain in your feet, and overall give you back the life you used to enjoy. That's right, we have rounded up 12 miraculous foods that have been scientifically proven to help in nerve repair. So, are you ready to discover the secret foods that can bring a world of change to your nerve health? Let's dive in. Number 1. Leafy greens. Did your parents constantly nag you to finish your green vegetables at the dinner table? Well, let's transport back to those childhood days because we're diving into the extraordinary world of leafy green veggies. Often celebrated for boosting our eyesight with their abundant vitamin A, these veggies have another hidden superpower you may not be aware of. Are you constantly tossing and turning at night, haunted by the discomfort of neuropathic pain? If so, you might want to pay extra attention to this. Leafy greens like broccoli, asparagus, and spinach are not just salad stars, but also vitamin B powerhouses. This crucial nutrient does a double whammy. It boosts nerve regeneration and amps up nerve functions. And the nutritional prowess of these greens doesn't stop there. Spinach, broccoli, and kale are brimming with alpha-lipoic acid, a wonder micronutrient that improves nerve functionality. Plus, it's a hero for those trying to keep their blood sugar levels in check. Don't just take our word for it. A 2017 study found that alpha-lipoic acid not only enhances nerve conduction, but also shields nerves from oxidative damage. Number 2. Caviar. Let's take a moment to appreciate the decadence of caviar. These tiny pearls harvested from sturgeonfish are often associated with luxury and indulgence. But did you know that they're also jam-packed with powerhouse nutrients that your nerves will love? Caviar is like a nutritional treasure chest. It's chock full of omega-3 fatty acids and iron. Now, omega-3s are not just good for your heart. They're critical to your nerve health as well, ensuring smooth nerve functioning and aiding in the healing process of damaged nerves. Sure, you might not find caviar at your everyday grocery store, and it might not be your everyday food, but if you stumble upon it, seize the moment. Number 3. Pumpkin seeds. Have you ever gazed upon a pumpkin seed and considered the potent nutritional punch it's packing? If not, it's time to shine a spotlight on these unassuming powerhouses crucial to nerve conduction and function. Potassium and magnesium are your nerve's best friends, and guess what? Pumpkin seeds are brimming with these vital elements. It's simple. Infusing your daily diet with a healthy sprinkling of pumpkin seeds could become your secret weapon for nerve health. Just picture it. These mighty micronutrients infiltrating your system, calming those overexcited, damaged nerves, and fortifying them from within. Number 4. Ginger. Let's journey to the heart of your kitchen and rediscover a hero hiding in plain sight. Ginger. This vibrant spice isn't just a zesty kick in your favorite dishes. It's also a treasure trove of healing properties that can soothe and restore your nerves. Ginger's anti-inflammatory prowess can work wonders in easing the pain that comes hand in hand with damaged nerves. But that's not all. This fiery root is also loaded with a compound known as gingerol. It's like ginger's secret superhero alter ego, known for its exceptional healing abilities. Imagine this: the zing of ginger oil working magic on your neuropathy pain, easing cramps, and so much more. This root spice offers a versatile charm that goes beyond its familiar burn. Freshly grated in a warming soup, finely sliced in a refreshing salad, or steeped into a comforting cup of tea. Adding a little ginger to your everyday diet can be as easy as pie. Number 5. Turmeric. Ready for a culinary adventure filled with vibrant color and a tantalizing aroma? We're talking about turmeric, that golden-hued spice that's been a cornerstone of our kitchens and traditional remedies for centuries. Its medicinal magic doesn't just stop at chasing colds away or soothing minor cuts. It also holds the key to a remarkable healing power: nerve repair. At the heart of turmeric's power is curcumin, an antioxidant-rich compound renowned for its anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. It's this magical component that enables turmeric to act as a soothing balm for damaged nerves. Before you reach for a painkiller, why not give turmeric a chance? Incorporate this radiant spice into your meals, and you might be amazed at its power as a natural pain-relieving warrior. Just a few weeks with this wonder spice, and you'll likely witness a delightful transformation. Number 6. Walnuts. Have you ever looked at a walnut and marveled at how it resembles a tiny brain? This is one case where looks do align with function, as these crunchy gems are indeed brain food. Walnuts are celebrated across the globe, not only for their delightful crunch, but for their nutrient-dense profile, particularly their rich store of omega-3 fatty acids. Imagine this: these omega-3 fatty acids quietly working behind the scenes, repairing the myelin sheath, the protective layer around your nerves, and ushering in faster recovery for damaged nerves. Add to this walnuts' impressive stash of antioxidants, which wage war against inflammation, and you've got a potent ally against nerve damage. Longing for relief from that persistent numbness or prickling sensation caused by nerve damage? It might be time to invite walnuts to your dietary party. Just a handful, or about 3 ounces of walnuts every day could make a significant difference. In just 2 weeks, you might start noticing a comforting change. Number 7. Chamomile. Are you ready to cozy up to a time-honored herb that's been soothing souls and healing bodies for centuries? Let's spill the tea on chamomile, a gentle, aromatic powerhouse that's as healing as it is comforting. Chamomile is like a soothing whisper in the world of herbs, with its impressive wealth of antioxidants. Its superpower lies in taming inflammation and easing neuropathic pain, offering you a gentle respite from the relentless discomfort. But that's not all. Chamomile is also a gentle guardian of your blood sugar levels. Are you wrestling with diabetic neuropathy? Is the nerve pain proving to be a stubborn adversary? The answer might be as simple as a daily rendezvous with chamomile tea. Imagine this: each calming sip helping keep both the pain and your blood sugar levels at bay. And if tea isn't your thing, chamomile has another trick up its sleeve: essential oil. A few drops, massaged gently, can offer a world of relief from neuropathic pain. Number 8. Quinoa. Are you ready to meet a humble grain that's been taking the health world by storm? Meet quinoa, a pseudo-cereal that's been capturing hearts and enriching diets with its impressive health benefits. But there's more to quinoa than just being a trendy superfood. It could be the friend your nerves have been longing for. Quinoa is brimming with potassium. Why is this significant? Because potassium is the grand conductor of your body's symphony, orchestrating the conduction of messages through your nerves to keep your nerves singing the right tune. Maintaining a harmonious level of potassium is crucial, and that's where quinoa steps in with a standing ovation. Not all grains are created equal, especially if you're dealing with damaged nerves. Some whole grains may strike a sour note, but quinoa is a nutritious encore, offering a medley of benefits without the harmful side effects. Number 9. Fruits. Ready for a vibrant plunge into nature's most delightful and delicious pharmacy? We're talking about fruits. These juicy, sweet, and sometimes tangy gifts of nature are more than just a treat for your taste buds. They're also a vital ally in your quest to heal damaged nerves. Fruits are like nature's multivitamins, packed with an abundance of antioxidants that have a knack for taming inflammation. These nutrient powerhouses are essential for the smooth running of your body's complex machinery and play a starring role in nursing your damaged nerves back to health. Take a bite of an apple, peel an orange, savor the burst of berries, indulge in a handful of grapes, or slice up some shallots. These fruits are armed with a flavonoid called quercetin. Now, quercetin might not roll off your tongue, but it's been a showstopper in studies for its impressive anti-inflammatory properties, offering a helping hand in dealing with neuropathy. Number 10. Water. Let's talk about the most basic yet powerful ally in our quest for health: water. Often overlooked, this clear, flavorless fluid is literally life in a glass. It's the magical potion that keeps us ticking, playing a crucial role in our well-being. When your body is happily hydrated, it stands a better chance against the likes of muscle spasms and neuropathic pain. Picture water as the highway for nutrients in your body, ferrying essential healing elements to your damaged nerves. It's like your body's own delivery service, making sure every cell gets what it needs. So, if your water intake is in a drought, your nerve healing process might hit a rough patch. Remember, your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to drink at least 8 glasses of water every day. A simple act, yet so vital. Consider it your personal hydration pledge. Stick to it and witness how this everyday liquid works its healing magic on your nerves. After all, where there's water, there's a life in healing. Number 11. Avocado. Let's turn our attention to a creamy delight that's not just Instagram-worthy, but also a superhero of nutrients. Avocado. This green gem isn't just a trendy addition to your toast. It could be a game-changer for your nerve health. Packed with monounsaturated fats, avocados provide a healthy dose of vitamin E, known for its antioxidant properties. This dynamic duo supports nerve function and helps combat oxidative stress. So, next time you indulge in some guacamole or slice up an avocado for your salad, know that you're treating your nerves to a nutrient-rich feast. Number 12. Blueberries. Get ready to embrace the tiny yet mighty heroes of the fruit world, blueberries. These little bursts of sweetness are more than just a delightful addition to your morning cereal. Rich in anthocyanins, blueberries have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant powers that can be a boon for your nerves. Studies have shown that these compounds play a role in improving cognitive function and may contribute to nerve protection. So, whether you toss them in your yogurt or snack on them by the handful, blueberries could be the very good solution your nerves have been waiting for. But remember, everybody is unique, and what works miracles for one may be different for another. Now it's your turn to join the conversation. We want to know what food resonated with you the most. Do you have a secret nerve-healing recipe you swear by? Or maybe a food from our list you can't wait to try? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And hey, if you found this video valuable, show some love by hitting that like button. Your feedback helps us bring more such informational content your way. See you in the next video.